don't we go further up? We can even go further up, but that is time consuming. You have to go very fast. So 2 minutes is the ideal height. And we always tap from top left to bottom right at a 30 degrees angle, because the capillaries run from right to left. So by cutting across, you get more capillaries and also more latex. That's how we go across. Always half the trunk. And every other day, and when you tap the tree, you should not go too deep and hurt the tree. Because there's one layer called the cambium, which regrows. When you go too deep, what happens? This one happens. See all the holes? This is not good capping. They've gone too deep inside. So you leave this area for regrowth. So you start at a height of about 2 meters. Every other day, only half the trunk you go down. And by the time you reach here, it will be about 6 years. Then you go to the other side, 2 meters. Then 6 years here. So what happens here? The bark regrows. So you can do it on both sides. And you work for 20 years, and when the trees are 25 years, you're going to chop the trees down. So what do we do with the trunk? Anybody know? Can tell me what do you do with the trunk of the tree? What do you make it? Paper, someone what else? Furniture. Very high demand for furniture. Rubber furniture is very fashionable now. Very fashionable. Hotels, restaurants, can make chairs, cupboards, tables. Very high demand. Beds, rubber furniture. Alright? And here you see a rubber pot here. See the rubber pot? Or the rubber fruit. And in one pot, there are altogether how many seeds are there? Can you count how many seeds are there inside? 3 seeds. And how are the seeds dispersed? Anybody know? Explosive action. Very good answer. Explosive action. Explodes and then the seed is dispersed. And this is how the seed looks like. Look, there's a rubber seed here. So that's how the seed looks like. Explosive action and the seeds are dispersed. Okay. So how do you identify a rubber tree? There are many ways. One is to look at the end of the leaf. See that? Always at the end they'll have 3 leaves. See that? Always. Sometimes you get 2, but very often you get 3. So that's one of the ways of identifying a rubber tree. See, 3 leaves. Okay, do you think the rubber tappers are mainly men folks or women folks? Who? Men or women are mainly the rubber tappers? Who do you think? How many say men? How many say women? The others? Don't know. Okay, in your house, who wakes up in the morning first? Your mama must wake up in the morning, prepare your breakfast, then go to work, come back in between, prepare the lunch. So women folks, they work very hard. Also like the man, women folk. So we have this, we use this special knife to tap the tree. And okay, now I'll show you how the tree. Just stay there and see what happens. So I'll just cut, do a slight shaving of the bark. You only cut the bark of the tree. See that? 1 millimeter only. When you go too deep, you hurt the tree. Okay, this is the second quality rubber here. See the rubber here? They call this scrap rubber. Also can be used, and this is mainly used for the, the soft toys. Soft toys, very soft, you can play with it. And they use this rubber for that. This is called scrap rubber. Give it around, get a feel of it. Just hold it and see. Don't worry, it won't hurt you. Just get a feel of it, hold it, pull it. See now the latex coming out. See the latex coming out? Okay, this is what we call latex. And we call this a panel. Okay, see the latex coming out? So latex is white like milk, with a lot of water, 60% water, 25% rubber, 5% protein and glucose. And we must also later, we show you how to process the latex. So what I want you to do actually is to touch the latex and rub your fingers together. Try to do it. All of you come, touch, rub your fingers and then step behind and let everybody do it. Just get a feel of the latex. Can you do please? See what happens? Just rub your fingers and see what happens. You can see rubber there. You see rubber balls, little erasers. So all of you get a feel of it, Yeah, you see that? So that is latex.
Oh my god.
Yeah, like glue,
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry. Just your fingers will stick together. Don't worry. All of you try. Touch the latex. But this is not a good time to tap because there's less rubber. Too hot. That's why we tap the trees in the morning. You don't tap at this hour. So rubber is really called the sunset industry. Sunset. Why sunset? The demand has dropped because now we have a lot of synthetic rubber.
Oh my god.
Yeah, all of you touch the latex or not?
You want that?
Yeah, please touch and rub your fingers together.
哇，你的血很甜。
Okay, once you finish, we're going to turn back. Can you turn back? We're going down the same way.
来一首了。